Research scientist Guang Yang studies neurons. Guang is interested in making discoveries. She is particularly interested in how we learn. Guang wondered whether neurons change when we learn something new. Because if neurons do change when we learn, this might give us clues about how we can learn better. Guang found that neurons do change. And the big change happens after we learn something and then go to sleep. Using new techniques, Guang took a picture of a living neuron. This is Guang's picture. It shows part of a dendrite. You can see the dendritic spines that are growing out of the dendrite. These two images show a neuron before learning and before sleep above, and afterwards below. The arrows on the lower picture point to new dendritic spines that grew during sleep. During the day, while the learning was taking place, a few small bumps began to emerge on the dendrite. But the spines really grew during sleep. These dendritic spines form synapses, links, with the axons of other neurons. Wow, this means that brain links solidify when you are sleeping. A neuron can even link to another neuron through several synapses, making even stronger brain links. During sleep, the brain rehearses what it has learned during the day. We can see the electrical signals traveling again and again through the same sets of neurons. It's as if, while we're sleeping, the space aliens have a chance to repeatedly pass along some friendly, reassuring shocks. Or you can imagine that during the night, your little mental mouse has a chance to run along the neural pathway many more times. This nighttime practice during sleep is what seems to allow the dendritic spines to grow. Concentrating intensely during the day to learn something new can spur new dendritic bumps to begin to form. This is where active recall comes in. It helps create those first bumps. Then, that night while you are sleeping, the little bumps turn into dendritic spines. The new dendritic spines have synaptic links to new neurons. And the more of these links that you have, the stronger the links and the more powerful your sets of brain links are. This means that it becomes easier to think about what you are learning. It's like being able to drag your thoughts down a nice smooth road instead of a muddy dirt road filled with lots of potholes. Incidentally, just watching this video is helping new dendritic spines to start to form. Your brain changes when you learn. Now remember that 80% of learning happens during sleep. This means that you cannot stay up all night studying for an exam and expect your brain to perform optimally the day after. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and smash the like button.